If your website's engagement looks like a ghost town, you're in luck. Meet the Auto Popup Weebly app. The Auto Popup Weebly app is a game changer. It's 100% responsive, so it looks great on any device. And the best part, it's drag and drop enabled, making it super easy to use. Imagine being able to show important announcements, feature a product, grow your email list, or even increase your social media following, all with a simple pop-up. You've got full control with customizable settings. Want the pop-up to appear on every page visit? No problem. Or maybe you prefer it pops up after a few seconds. You can set that too. Worried about annoying your visitors? Set a repeat duration so the pop-up only shows once in a specified time frame. Need it to close automatically? Just set the auto-close duration. And the customization doesn't stop there. Adjust the design to match your brand. Change the background, colors, borders, and even the close button. With the Auto Popup Weebly app, you'll keep your visitors engaged without breaking a sweat. Ready to boost your website's impact? Get started with the Auto Popup Weebly app today and watch your engagement soar.